everyone, welcome to our English class. For today our topic is natural care and our objective to learn about the animals in the zoo, zoológico. Vamos a aprender acerca de los animales en el zoológico, okay? Now, first, I have a question. Have you ever been in a zoo? ¿Has estado alguna vez en un zoológico? Yes? No? Okay, now, in this picture, what can you see? ¿Qué puedes ver en esta imagen? Okay, very good. Now, how many giraffes are there? Jirafas in this part, okay? How many cuantas jirafas are there? ¿Recuerda la clase anterior? Nosotros usamos are there cuando hablamos de muchas cosas, ¿ok? In this case, are there in a question. Okay, please tell me the answer. Dígame la respuesta. Ok, vamos a contar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 giraffes. In this case, we have to use there are. Tenemos que usar there are en plural cuando hablamos de dos o más cosas. There are 5 giraffes. Hay 5 jirafas. Okay, repeat. Excellent, very good, my dear student. Now, please pay attention. Vamos a ver un video acerca de un zoo. Okay, please pay attention.
Let's learn zoo animals. Monkey. Monkey. Iguana. Iguana. Deer. Deer. Zebra. Zebra. Flamingo. Flamingos. Turtle. Turtle. Elephant. Elephant. Parrot. Parrot. Lion. Lions. Penguin. Penguins. Peacock. Peacock. Lemur. Lemur. Walrus. Walrus. Bear. Bear. Swan. Swan.
Do you like the video? ¿Les gusta el video? What animal do you prefer? According to the video. De acuerdo al video, ¿qué animal usted prefiere? Okay, it is excellent option. Okay, my dear student, we are going to work. Okay, please pay attention. Okay, write a number that corresponds to the name of the animal that you identified in the image. Okay, primero vamos a enumerar los animalitos correspondientes en la imagen de acá abajo. Okay, now please check this image. Look carefully. Mire cuántos animalitos podemos ver. Okay. And now we have to write the number according to the animal. Okay. Debemos poner el numerito de acuerdo al animal. Let's start. Number 1. Please read. Crocodiles. Very good. Now in this picture, where is it? ¿Dónde está? Where is the crocodile? Very good. Si podemos ver, the crocodile is green. El cocodrilo es verde. Number 1. Let's check number 2. Okay, read, please. Tiger. Where is the tiger? Very good. In this part. The tiger is sleeping. El tigre está durmiendo. Okay. Number 3. Please read number 3. Okay, now please. Ahora va a buscarle dónde le encuentra al oso polar. And you have to write the number 3. Okay. Entonces en el oso polar escribimos el número 3. Excellent. Now, number 4. Lion. Repeat, lion. In this picture, where is the lion? ¿Dónde está el león? Very good. In this part, you have to write number 4. Excellent. Let's start with number 5. Zebra. Where is the zebra? Excellent. In this part. Number 5. This zebra is jumping. Está saltando. Very good. Let's start with number 6. Gorilla. Where is the gorilla? Okay. Miren la imagen. Very good. Number 6. The gorilla. Very good. The gorilla has a baby. Tiene un bebé. A small gorilla. Un gorila pequeñito. Okay. Now, number 7. Monkey. Where is the monkey? Very good. In this part. Excellent. Number 7. Mono. 8. Giraffe. Where is the giraffe? Very good. There are 2 giraffes. Number 8. Excellent. Number 9. Elephant. Where is the elephant? Where is the elephant? ¿Dónde está el elefante? Very good. In this park. ¿Qué está haciendo el elefante? Very good. And, ¿qué otro animal puede ver en la imagen que no se haya mencionado? Okay. There are 2 more animals. Hay 2 animales más que no se mencionaron. Excellent. ¿Lo encontraron? Very good. Congratulations. Now, my dear student, we are going to answer these questions, okay? First, how many people can you see in the picture? How many, cuántas, people, personas, can you see, puedes ver en la imagen? Please. Mire la imagen y vamos a contar, ¿ok? 1, 2, 2, 3, and 4. Ok, ¿qué está haciendo la niña? She is taking a photo. Ella está tomando una foto. Very good. Now, en este caso, este niñito, ¿qué está haciendo? ¿A quién está mirando? Very good, lions. Now, in this part, you can see she is a mother, es una mamá, and here is her, very good, her son, su hijo. Very good, my dear student. En total, how many people can you see in this picture? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are, you have to use there are. There are 4 people. Okay, hay 4 personas. Question B. How many animals can you see in this picture? ¿Cuántos animales podemos ver en esta imagen? Please, count. Cuente. Okay. Which is your favorite animal? Okay, very good. Please, my dear student, open your notebook. Abra su cuadernito y va a copiar, este va a ser su deber. Va a copiar estas preguntas y vamos a responderlas, ¿ok? This is your homework. Este es su deber. Okay, for example, how many people can you see in this picture? There are 4 people. There are, hay, pero ocupamos el are cuando hablamos de mucho, del plural. There are 4 people. B. How many animals can you see in the picture? There are, and you have to complete. Usted tiene que completar con cuántos animales usted vio en imagen, ¿ok? C. Which is your favorite animal? ¿Cuál es su animal favorito? My favorite animal is... Okay, and you have to answer the question. Now, D. Have you visited a zoo? ¿Has visitado un zoológico? Va a encerrar, circle the correct answer. Yes, I have, o no, I have. Si usted ha ido, va a subrayar o va a escribir yes, I have. Y si no ha ido, no, I haven't. Okay? Next question. E. Do you like elephants? ¿Te gustan los elefantes? You can see in the picture. They are elephants. Repeat. Elephants. Okay? Now, answer the question. Do you like elephants? ¿Le gustan los elefantes? Yes, I like. Or no, I don't like. ¿Sí me gusta o no me gusta? Okay, please circle the correct option and write on your notebook. Okay? Este es su deber. Tiene 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 questions. And you have to do on your notebook. Okay, my dear student, this is all for our class. Bye bye.